Hi there, this is was it part 9, I think, of the update on the Mustang. Now it's one color, yeah, I'm not showing it yet, so I'm going to pan around slowly, and here's a color. It is now Eclipse Orange. Very bright. You see down here. This is just my spray test paper for the pattern. Look around it. Go around the back. I'm keeping my door closed right now because it's very windy outside. I don't want dust blowing on it. It's still just a little tacky right now, but it's all orange. And now it needs buffing down now, or when it's hard anyway. So get rid of all the little imperfections that are in here. So this will be a very quick video. What are we doing? Tomorrow I'll be taking off all the plastic and all the masked up areas. Down here on the rocker panel, it's textured. I sprayed it, I think I showed you in one of the last videos, sprayed it with a rock chip undercoat or underseal, and I sprayed just right on top of it. So any rocks that hit now should just really bounce off. So that's looking very good. Down into where the windscreen wiper goes is painted orange as well. So that's all done. And down here, even these parts which aren't seen, I've painted up orange. Go around this side here quickly. Here's the headlight units. This one's okay. This one I got to redo. Some polythene caught this. It needs another coat anyway. So these are coming along nicely. Very nice. And on my ladder over here, I have the little rear sections as well, which go on the back of a car, painted up. So that is where I am with painting so far. I don't know if I can reach up. I could lower the, you can see on top of the roof there. Looking very bright. Again, it's got to be wet sanded, buffed, and I'll tone it back just a tad. Great. Well, thank you for watching this very short video. I thought it'd be interesting to show what color. Let's come back a little bit further here. What color it's turned out to be. And there it is. Thank you for watching so far. There'll be more to follow as things get painted and put onto the car. So we'll do it. This will be right from the start to the very end of the car. So all this series. Thank you for watching. Take care out there. More to come. Bye for now.